Sir, there is so much of information to be handled, so much of tests to be handled. How can you do that? For the test series, I particularly would like to underline one thing. 10 days later, the test is going to come. You can decide that I'm going to give 2 hours, 5 days, or 1 hour, 10 days, or 4 hours, 2 days, and 1 hour, 1 day, 2 hours. Hi, today we would like to address one question which I am often asked about. It is that shall we take tests which are topic-wise tests, or we should take a integrated test where we have different topics are mixed up? So what kind of test that we should actually be taking? In fact, I would like to advise you that you have to look at your level of preparation. And if you are in early stages of your preparation, I would like you to go for segmented tests, which in the sense it means that you should be testing topic wise. And then when you have acquired certain level of your knowledge and expertise, at that stage start simulating the actual mixed type of test. But then this jump from segmented test to the mixed test should not be sudden. I would like you to, let's say, one segment, you've taken the test, then you've taken 2 segments together, then you've taken 3 segments together, or 4 segments together. And that's the way I like you to actually build your information. In fact, I would like you to tell you that while you're preparing, for your preparation, the segments are there, like you have got a polity or economy or geography or history or technology or whatever that you have. But then for UPSC, there's no segment. The questions are asked so much intermingled. So to get into the final level of your preparation, one has to be appreciating the information per se, breaking all the possible silos that we have got or compartments that you have got in your preparation. But then I suppose for the early stage people, those people who are starting in the early stages, they should go for the segmented test and then gradually build to that. In KSG, we do that. In fact, most of the coaching institutes that you are engaging with, I would like you to actually see that they have got this format only, that they would take you initially with a segmented test and then build you to comprehensive tests, and that's a good approach that you should be following also. In fact, for the test series, I particularly would like to underline one thing. There is a philosophy behind every coaching institute or every set of system that you have, and they ask the questions in a particular format. It is always advisable to go for more than one setup of things when you go for the test series. I think if the finances allow, I strongly recommend for the people to go for more than one formats of the tests from the more than one institute, so that you get 2 set of observation, 2 set of philosophies there. And one common mistake which lots of people say that, hey, sir, there is so much of information to be handled, so much of tests to be handled. How can you do that? And here I would like you to advise one thing. Never get adopted by the institute to whom you may have joined as a test series. You adopt the institute, you adopt the test series, and that is one exercise that really helps. In that case, what I would like to suggest is, you have taken a test series of a particular thing, and they said like they will be asking questions on this many topics of economy, and I think you decide now that how much time I would be giving. I have got with me, let's say, I have got time with me, let's say 10 hours, and 10 days later the test is going to come. You can decide that I'm going to give 2 hours, 5 days, or 1 hour, 10 days, or 4 hours, 2 days, and 1 hour. I mean, you have to basically decide, and then accordingly you should adopt the test series instead of you being adopted by the test series per se. So this is extremely vital that you should take the test series from more than one institute. That's something which is what I would like you to recommend, because that way you get to have bigger mindset, bigger philosophy, bigger orientation, because UPSC is very dynamic. It continuously keep evolving, and different coaching institutes have their own philosophies and their own formats of evolution. You are not going to get the same questions there, but then you have got the flavor of the nature of questions which are coming. At KSG, we have been keeping a very diverse set of people as a kind of resource persons for the purpose of curating your questions, so that you have got high variegated format of questions which are coming to you in the latest format of UPSC. But at the same time, you, while taking these questions, are not bothered too much about the questions which are being asked to you and the score that you're getting there, but you are getting some direction as to how I should be actually moving forward with my own indication of areas of weaknesses. This test series will tell you your own individual areas of weaknesses and your own position vis-a-vis so many students across the country to whom with whom you are going to compete the very same year. So that way, I would like you to basically recommend that the test series that you are using, you should be starting with the segmented test series and then ultimately evolve and go for those, I would call it as mixed test series, because that is the ultimate format that you're going to have in the UPSC examination. All the best.